Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. So today I'm going to be reviewing the application of the job post which we made. If you remember on our previous video, we actually did how to create a job post for people. So now we are going to be checking in the job post which we showed you guys how to create. And then after checking it out, I'm going to show you guys how to check if people are applying or people are responding to it in two ways. We're first going to check the notification, and also we are going to check our Facebook page. And then again, we are going to check the email address which we included if we are actually receiving the mails from them. So first of all, let's check in our Facebook page, and now make sure you are logged in and click on the notification icon just right there. Now you can notice earlier it says your post online, which is this one, have received 15 applications. When you click on it, you are going to notice the people who are actually engaging on it. These are their names. They're actually interested. When you click on each of them, you are going to see the details. So this is someone's detail. I won't be showing them to you, but I'm actually going to click on them so that you will see one person. So when you click, you get to see the person's name, phone number, and all the detail of the person. So you can contact the person. And if I scroll down, you're going to keep seeing more history about the person. So you guys can check that on your own. I just want to show you guys how to check the application. So one, you can get them from your notification, and then two, you can go to the page which is actually associated with that particular application. Now you can notice normally I don't receive too many messages, but I think I got some messages on right now. So we'll have to check this option right here. You can notice I got messages, which is actually 20 messages, and under the manage jobs I also got 20, which actually means I got some response from the job. So when I click on the one of them, you can notice it shows the same detail, which is also displaying on the notification area. So when you click on the job post, you can notice the job post that was posted online influencer, which is currently published, and I can also boost it, and I have 48 new applications. So when you click on it, um you're going to get to see the detail of this particular post. You can see it, right? It says the address, the person that posted it, and the detail of the post. So once I go back, I can also check the activities and see what people are actually engaging on, which is I wonder why the job application is showing zero. I don't know why. So the post reach is actually 10K. So people are actually responding. Now let's check our mail and see how many messages we got. But I will have to pause this video to do that. Just open your webmail, whichever email you provided, and then if you forgot the email you provided to this job application stuff, you can go ahead, click on this job, manage jobs, click on the post, click on that particular job you had, click on edit. When you click on edit, you're going to see the details again, and below you're going to see the email which you applied to receive from, just below the job type. So once you've seen that, just go ahead and cancel out, back out again, back out, and then now let's check the particular email which that's associated with. Now I'm going to pause this video because I don't want you guys to see my login detail or other emails. Okay, from here on, you can notice the names of people who actually applied. You can notice their name applied for your job application. I'm not going to open them actually. So these are their names. This is a Facebook message from Facebook. And what I did, let me go back. This is my main inbox, which is actually my primary inbox. You can see that on the top. All I need to do is to click on the menu and then select social, because most times the message goes to social instead of the primary message, because the primary message actually lists all your relevant or important messages, but your social actually lists all your social networking message like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media accounts. But now you can notice I have um all the Facebook message and all the names of people that applied. So once you click on each of them, you are going to see the detail of the application. And if you are not getting a lot of it, just go back to your Facebook application, open the particular details from your Facebook app. If you have a Facebook manager, just click on it. If not, click on the page, follow this option, and then scroll down. Sorry. Yes, scroll down, down. You are going to get to see the job manager. Okay, there is jobs. Click on jobs, and you can see it has 40 reads, and click on the inside. So it has 40 reach, and which is actually organic. And then out of this 40 reach, we got 28 people applied for it. So if you're not satisfied yet, just click on the manage jobs, which should be somewhere not showing right. Just hold on. There should be a manage job, which I opened before. Facebook application can be annoying most times, depending on how you opened it though. Just hold on. So for some reason, guys, all you need to do is just click on the notification and and select select to manage these particular details, and you can go ahead and click on each of them to see, and you can check the status and change it. But since I'm okay with the job, I'm just going to select that particular details. So that's how to check your details, and you guys should also check your own end to see if you have it available. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys soon on my next video. All right, take care, safe.